Was that fun?
I want to go ice skating.
Who's a better ice skater, Mommy or Daddy?
We went ice skating.
That's not important.
Yeah.
You put it there? Yeah, just where the corners.
Oh yeah, sure. Caleb, you know, you took me down like, well, yeah, you took me down like 4 times, 4 or 5 times.
Really?
He said, Daddy fell more than me.
Sacrifice yourself.
Yeah, how come?
Well, so I lose my, because he doesn't stand up. He like lifts his legs, so we're ice skating like holding him.
Yeah.
Good job,
I can't
baby.
ice skate in the first place.
Yeah.
Good job, Micah.
I have to let go.
Yeah.
No.
And I just fall.
How come you keep bringing ones over to the other? Are these rejects? You can eat those.
Either that or he's falling, and so I have to pull him, like kind of pull him up, which just makes me fall at a greater velocity.
It's okay. I take down his nephew.
You stick your whole fist in your mouth to get one out?
In the leg.
What'd you do?
I take down his nephew in a jet ski. Well, actually,
You need electric.
You did it, baby boy.
like he knew he was gonna fall, so he just let it go, and he fell in.
Oh no.
But
you swim?
so Alex is sitting by himself on the jet
Did
ski.
it, baby
No,
boy?
it's Alex. He's sitting by
Hi.
himself on the jet ski.
Hey, you dropped one on the floor. What happened?
And then once you fall off, it's really hard to back on because it moves.
You stick all your fingers in your mouth to get it in, huh?
Putting Alice in the water, so he's just like, hey,
Hi.
I can pick him up now. I'm done.
You
I'm done.
Oh, he has to eat dinner.
After a few
Yeah, I know.
minutes,
I'm
Alex
sorry.
is
It's ready.
I'm giving him appetizers.
like, go in the water.
Micah, you want some more?
Just freaking some. Did you lose
We
one?
can go jet
Did you lose
ski.
one?
He's eating cereals right now.
You know how to swim?
What happened, Micah?
No, not yet.
Do you know how to swim, Caleb?
You do.
You're a good swimmer?
Daddy.
Oh.
You're gonna
No,
teach
he said daddy.
I think it was Christine.
Wow.
I can swim on the water.
You're moving
Really?
moving on
Good.
from dada to daddy.
Does
Am I
talk?
daddy now? He makes
Kind
sounds.
of.
He
Micah, say hi.
something that
Say
said
hi.
dada. What does he try? What is he? He says mama, but he doesn't. He's
He
not.
says
able-
Baba. He says Baba.
He said he always says Dada.
Yeah.
But not Caleb or Coco or Mama or Mommy.
Not yet.
But look, he's smiling because he heard your name, huh? Oh, Micah, show everyone your teeth. Woo! Hey, how come it's not working? Woo! He's too busy eating.